We cannot ask a state to respect our authority when we exclude that state from participation in our decision-making machinery. In addition, we cannot expect the authority of the United Nations to carry full weight.
waxa uu yidhi maxamed xaashi ibraahim cigaal suurtagal ma aha in dal aynu ka doonno inuu xishmeeyo awoodda qaramada midoobay iyadoo dalkaasi aynu iska hortaagnay inuu qayb ka ahaado qaabka aynu go'aamada ku gaadhno waxa igu filan buu yidhi inaan idhaahdo in aniga iyo wafdigayguba aanu taageeri doonno sidii aanu horeba had iyo jeer u yeeli jiray wixii go'aana ee u suuro gelinaya jamhuuriyadda dadka ee Shiinuhu in kaalinta xaqa ay ugu leeyihiin ay ka galaan qaramada midoobay haddii ay ahaan lahayd golahan loo dhan yahay ka ammaanka iyo hay'adaha kaleba.
Chinese and Somali officials say this is a great step forward, which aims at improving the bilateral ties between the two nations.
Today, our embassy in Somalia is officially reopened. This once again demonstrates our further support to the peace process and the federal government in Somalia, as well as the Highness phase and growing China-Somalia relations.
It's a great honor and opportunity today for Somalia and for the relationship between Somalia and China to have reopened the Chinese embassy here in Somalia after more than 2 decades that there was no Chinese embassy. The good thing that maintained this relationship to continue was the Somalia embassy has remained open in China for all these long years. And we know that the Chinese would have liked this embassy to remain open, but we know all the circumstances in the ground in Somalia has compelled this embassy to be closed for all these long years. Even then, China has always been with Somalia in the difficult days, in the emergencies and the humanitarian support, in the diplomatic and world arena where the international community was discussing the Somali issues. China has always been one of the forefront countries that was supporting the well-being of Somalia.
My gratitude of the people of Somalia through you to the people of China for reinstating the presence of the People's Republic of China in Somalia. And allow me to say,
welcome back to Somalia.
May your country grow from strength to strength, and may our China-Somalia relationship also grow with that. Amen. Long life China. Chungo Wansue.
Long live China, long live China, long live Somalia.
China's historic relations with Somalia was also discussed during the meeting between both nations.
Vision for building a community with shared future between China and Africa reaffirms the historic spirit of mutual respect, solidarity, and common development that binds us together. It's my firm belief that this year's forum will be historic, bringing China and Africa cooperation to a new level.
Somalia is seeking to push trade and investment ties with China. The two countries already enjoy trade relations, with Mogadishu hoping to strengthen that bond that exists between the two nations. China has supported a number of projects in Somalia in the past.
Between China and Somalia. China has a long history of cooperation with Somalia. It's been responsible for several infrastructural projects.